Oh God, I'm just so energetic. I feel like kicking the crap out of something. Like, what's that? It's a soccer ball. Did you? No. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! That was a strong kick. Yes! 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 I think this is the rarest one in the world. I have no idea. I think so. I know this guy's very rare, though, ultra rare, right? So this is gonna feel so good. You can do it, Connie. You can do it. That felt so good. Look at him. They made his head a football and they changed his colours of his feet and his head because it's like a soccer ball. Alright. So look at his bombs and stuff. Oh. I'm just gonna put you down here. Oh. No. Aye! Stop making out! Stop making out! Get out! You two have to be split apart. I do know you like the FIFA World Cup, and you are the FIFA World Cup, but you can't keep making out like this. It's not very good for the environment. Do they look different at all? Or are they sisters and brothers? Whatever. Right. Alright, time to show the kids. I'm gonna put the keyboard over there. Alright. I'm gonna move this and put it down here. So here we go. Here's the card. No, not yet. You wanna play soccer? Oi! Never punch plastic like that. Where are you, dude? I remember when I just got you as well. Alright, so, hey, what the hell? Has he been stalking them the whole time? Hello, I am Asian Han Solo, and I'm going to rape your mom. Or, alright, so, I think he's pretty damn rare. What a pet. Right, so, you can just stay here. And this, alright, so, we're going to draw, we're going to get, guess what we're going to get? The card out. Rubber. This is a kick. Kick off, freaking countdown. So this is kick off countdown. Kick off countdown. We're gonna go to countdown and kick stuff. Alright, so the strength is 115 out of 200. The defense is 90 out of 200. The speed is 60 out of 200. The luck is 45 out of 200. I think it'd be better. And now we're going to do the sticker. It's the sticker. And look at this. It says kick off countdown. And it's the thing. Okay. Alright. So that was that. So, look at these. Look at these two. Look at this one. Wow. Freaking dicks. Alright. So that's cool. He doesn't have a nose though. Oh Lord. He looks like 100% different to this guy. This guy looks this guy looks more angry. So oh well. So that was kind of it for the episode. Or I could just kick these guys. You want to get kicked? And a kick. I didn't kick it because I knew it would hurt. And a kick. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna kill it. Cricket. I don't play soccer. I'm not very good. Not very good at all. Alright, I'm just gonna kick you because I don't like you. Oh. That's him in the game. So I might as well just end the episode here, guys. Wow. So, like, comment, favorite, and subscribe to my gaming channel. I can't wait to play this. Maybe I can do YouTube capture, and maybe I could do another thing. So, like, comment, favorite, and subscribe to my gaming channel. And I just kindly, again, hope you liked the video. Scalpel. Bye.